Hi everyone, welcome to Multivendor Marketplace. In this video, I will walk you through admin-seller communication. Sellers can communicate directly with the admin from the seller dashboard. First, log into the seller dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to Communication. Here, you can easily send your message to the admin. Write your message in the text box and click the Send button. You can also add an image or PDF invoice for further reference. Click the arrow button to send the message, and your message will be sent to the admin successfully. Now, the admin can also reply to the communication. To do this, go to the admin dashboard. Once the admin dashboard is open, go to Marketplace, then to Communication. Here, you'll find the message sent by the seller. The admin can also directly chat with the seller. Write the message for the seller and click the arrow button to send it. That's how seller and admin communication works in a multi-vendor marketplace. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.